Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech It's Simple. Today I'll be showing you how to log into Chase Bank. Chase Bank, are often known as Chase, is a national bank headquartered in Manhattan, New York City. It constitutes the consumer and commercial banking subsidiary of the United States multinational banking and financial service holding company Chase. To log into Chase, simply go to your web browser and type in chase.com. As soon as you reach to the official website of Chase, which looks like this, click on the Sign In button at the upper right side of the screen. This is where you will sign into your account using the credentials course. Enter your username first, and in the next field, enter the password for your account. If you want the site to remember you, then check this box over here. If you are using a public device, then make sure to turn this off before signing in. To use your token number, press the box over here and an expanded menu will open where you can enter the number. If not, simply log in with your username and password. Click on the Sign In button and you'll be logged into Chase Bank account. In case you forgot your username and password, you can still be able to reset your password by clicking on Forgot Username or Password. Go through the verification process and follow the instructions to do so. That is how you can log into Chase Bank account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till